So I logged onto a mesh node now. The mesh node is called PL Herren 6 Bureau. So it's the host name of the mesh node. PL stands for Plauen. This is a node in the city of Plauen in Western Saxony in the Vogtland area. You can see Dresden here, and this is the Vogtland area. So it's a Freifunk node that provides free internet to the public, and this node has it's running Batman, and I can modify the behavior of the node or show some debug information by using the command bat control. So first of all, what you can see here, Batman is working on layer 2. So we have MAC addresses, so layer 2 addresses as identifiers for nodes, and performing the routing on layer 2 hidden away from the IP layer. So I can show you some information about this node's neighbors. We can see here from the map it should have 2 neighbors in direct proximity. So also the links are quite good. As we can see here, in the command line we can see that 2 links here are on the mesh 0 interface, which is a radio interface. I can show you. So mesh 0 is a radio interface on channel 11, so a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi link. And these 2 neighbors now have a radio link which is rate adapted through the built-in Minstrel algorithm. So built-in rate adaptation, this means that Batman is not adapting the link itself, but using the driver's rate adaptation algorithm, which is mostly Minstrel in this case. So I can show you information about how this link is adapted when I pick one of the neighbors here. So again I type bat control neighbors, and for short. Okay, now we have 3 neighbors, so there's one weak link that's sometimes popping up here. Yeah, we see it here now. Only 1% transmit quality, but I can show you statistics first on the stronger links. So IW is a command that uses the driver to display information, not Batman. It's not bat control. And I can use station get, and we see basic information that we use this and that bit rates for transmitting and receiving from towards or from this neighbor. We can also see the signal strength here. So if I choose the other neighbor, we just use this F1 here. We can see that it receives with a much higher bitrate. The TX bitrate is probably that low because it just didn't send anything for a longer time. Okay, so that's it for this live demo. We continue now with the routing information calculation.